Hey YouTube, I showed you the new griddle that I had purchased recently from Gabbys Grill. Well, today I'm going to use that griddle. We're going to do some smash burgers. So you stay tuned and I'll show you what I got. Okay, what we've got here is about a pound or maybe a little better, and I'm going to make some burger balls, but first I'm going to dice up some onions with my chopping scoop here. We're going to chop them real fine and stuff these balls with it. Really makes a difference in the flavor of it. Try this sometime, putting the onion in the burger, in the meat. Okay, we got this into a finely chopped group of onions. What we're going to do now is just take us out some nice balls. I'm not going to weigh them. Come on, just get an approximate ball that you like and we'll see how it ends up. And let's see. A little bit more with this one, a little bit more with this one. I can pretty much tell just by the feel of it. Alright, now, next thing you want to do, I may end up having to chop a few more onions. You just flatten it out a little bit, sprinkle some onion on it, and then fold it over, and then squeeze on it a couple of times. There's no right way and no wrong way. Okay, here's one. What I'm going to do now is just kind of press down on them a little bit again. And then I'm going to take some SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. And hit them one time with that. And that's going to wind up on the inside of this ball. Fold it over again and then make another ball. Okay guys, let me get some charcoal and we'll get started. Like half of a chimney and lift this up. And I'm just going to pour it out and kind of put those charcoal briquettes where I want them. Okay, I got a little cold spot back there on the back if I need to slide something back there for some reason. Next thing up is a grate. Okay. Next thing, the griddle. I bought this from Gabbys Grills. Let it heat up and we'll be ready to smash some burgers. This smasher, the Kingsford brand that I got from Academy Sports. See, it's nice size, Kingsford, a wooden handle, not the best, but works. We'll start up toward the front. Got us a piece of wax paper and masher goes. buttered them a little bit on the inside. So they ought to get nice and toasty. Got 3 kinds of cheese: pepper jack, I think it's mozzarella, and some cheddar. Now, we'll throw down a squirt of water to get us some steam action. Okay, I think we have the first couple of burgers ready. Ooh, look at there. Pretty. Okay, it's time to build one. Let's start with some mayo. Everybody's got their own little way. I'll put mayo on one side, different technique. Then I like to put the mustard down on the other side. Something like that. And you know what? I could put the ketchup right down here with this. Yes, sir. Then I like to take my burger and put it on. These are big burgers, they're a lot larger than the bun. Then I like to take some onion and place it down and leave the middle out. So usually there's ketchup or something else in there that has room to come up. Put a little lettuce down on the other side, a little tomato, and at this point I generally have pepper, but don't have any pepper out here, so we'll just go in for some pickles. Alright, we'll pretend like this has got pepper on it, okay? Pepper. Okay, pepper, 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 pepper. Then put our top on, give it a little push. We're going in. Ooh, look at that. That's a big one. It's not as big as some of them I've seen lately, but it's a mouthful. Mmm. Mmm. That has the best flavor. And there comes Janet and Florence getting hers.
I'm getting in on it too.
I think Mama's hungry.
Mm-hmm.
So, that's our smash burger cooked for today. It's Friday night. We're sitting out here on our patio. You know, I think about those guys up north, out in the Midwest, still fighting the snow. And here we are, short sleeves, you know, 70-degree weather. We have had an 80-degree day. Thinking about you guys, sure am. Some better weather's coming so you can get them grills cranked back up. We got a little tater salad we're gonna add with this cook. Usually we have sides going all over the place, but normally with hamburgers we'll have homemade fries, baked beans, you know, that kind of thing, but we just have some potato salad on the side. Didn't show you that, but I wanted to mainly focus on the smash burger. I like the griddle, but it performed good. I might could have used actually a little more charcoal under it. I don't know. I'll have to play with it and practice a little bit with it. I've never used a griddle on a grill. You know, usually you have gas knobs and stuff you can adjust heat. But I hope you enjoyed my cook. And so we're getting ready to dive back in these good cheeseburgers. So until next time, this is Phil and Florence. I appreciate you coming along. See you next time.